What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm finally gonna start working on the engine bay and just find everything out and what's wrong with it and what I need to rebuild it and what I need to get it running. And I got all the fluids right there. I got the power steering fluid, I got the brake fluid, got coolant from BMW, got 0W40 engine oil with a new filter. Also got the fan with the clutch right here. Got both tie rods inner and outer for both sides, and I got brake lines for both sides. And the tie rod on the right side completely snapped in half, so I needed to replace that, but I thought I might as well change the other one as well. And yeah, I need to replace the tie rod, make sure all the fluids are good on the car, check the electrical, check all the spark plugs, check the fuel rail, and just crank the engine up and see if it cranks. So for the first thing first, what I'm going to do, I'm going to swap out the tie rods and we'll go from there. Alright, so I got everything connected in the car, and I did crank the car. It does crank, as you can see right there. And that sounds pretty good. The starter sounds pretty healthy, and the car cranks pretty good. And it's not firing up for some reason. I did check all the electrical, I checked the coil, I checked the spark plugs, and they're all looking pretty good. And I don't think this car is getting any fuel. I did put new fuel in the car too, so what I'm going to do right now, I already took the seat off, and I'm going to take the fuel pump out, and I'm going to inspect it, and we'll see from there. Alright, so as you guys can see, the car does run, but there are some issues, and the first one being the head gasket. And I think the head gasket is blown. I saw a lot of white smoke coming out of the exhaust, and the car was hesitating to idle as well. And I'm probably just going to get the head gasket kit that comes with every single gasket for this engine, and might as well replace everything while I'm at it, and we'll go from there. And yeah, this is it for this video. I'm going to end it right here, and the next one I'm probably going to replace the head gasket, And yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, please consider liking and subscribing, and see you guys later.